Egg white foams are culinary wonders, but they're rather delicate. When combining with other ingredients, they require a special mixing technique called folding. You see, if you just stirred an egg white foam the way you stir other foods, you would rupture and deflate the bubbles that make up the foam. Folding is a gentler form of mixing that minimizes damage. Here's how it works. Using a rubber spatula or a large spoon, cut down through the center of the ingredients to the bottom of the bowl. Scrape along the bottom toward the side of the bowl, then pull the spatula upward and twist your wrist to plop the mass back toward the center. Rotate the bowl with each stroke, gradually working your way around the bowl several times until the ingredients are incorporated. Now let's practice this technique with an activity. You'll need a large mixing bowl, an electric mixer, a rubber spatula, 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid, 2 cups of water, and liquid food coloring. Add the dishwashing liquid and water to the bowl. Beat with an electric mixer until a fine foam is formed. Drop a few drops of food coloring onto the surface of the foam. Using a proper technique, fold the food coloring into the foam until the color is evenly distributed throughout. Okay, that's everything you need to know to keep those protein molecules in shape. Spherical shapes, to be exact. Are you ready to learn more about science-driven cooking? Visit us at inquisicook.com or follow us on social media to get a behind-the-scenes peek at what we're up to.